Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog! So ngayon, we have long weekend kaya we're going to travel. Come with me! As of now guys, I've been on the road for quite some time because we left at midnight and now it's already morning but we're still not at our destination. And finally, after 1,000 million hours, I finally arrived at my destination. As you can see guys, I'm alone because I wanted to go on a solo trip even just for a 24 hours to relax, unwind, talk to myself, and reflect on everything. And yes, I'm sorry guys, voice over na lang cause I enjoyed too much my me time. So I forgot to take videos of other things I did that day. But anyway, it's already the second day and my friends and I will going to the beach in Zambales for 2 nights. On the first day, we just went island hopping here, then did a little of swimming because we tired. The next day, we took pictures for my day, and then in the evening, they had a live concert while we were having a bonfire singing along. Yes, I enjoy these moments because they rarely happen. Minsan lang kami magsama-sama and minsan lang kami magkaroon ng libreng oras together. Here we are on our last day in Zambales, and guess what guys? I have another destination lined up, of course. This time with a different set of friends naman. Here we go again, another trip, but this time it's nearby lang. We went to Pangasinan, we're staying overnight just to try deep diving and other activities. Of course, I'm adventurous and I enjoy water activities, so even I'm not great at swimming, I still do this kind of activities. I like taking pictures and videos of sunset and sunrise because it feels me like I'm healing, I'm at peace and like. So this is my activities. You can see guys, medyo matagal ako napatalon dyan kasi pinag-isipan ko talaga. Haha. And pinupush ako dyan ng mga kasama ko na ako yung unang tumalon kasi I'm adventurous and they know na mas malakas loob ko sa kanila. So, alam ko nagtataka ako kung bakit nasa biyahe na naman ako. And guess what? Hindi pa rin ako pauwi. This is my last trip for this long weekend, guys. Are you tired? I am too. But I'm happy to make memories with my loved ones because life is too short. So, as long as we're still breathing, let's just enjoy. This is our last destination, guys. It's my favorite place of all because it has a pool and a beach. So, we did a lot of activities. Of course, taking selfies and videos is a must para sa my day namin and pang TikTok namin, pang chismisan namin, and a lot of water activities. Ngayon guys, kakain na kami. Ang pagkain namin ay bili-bili lang sa tabi-tabi. Napapansin nyo ba guys kung bakit kami lang yung tao dito? I paid for it kasi. Joke lang, but the reason it just here is because before you reach that pool, you have to climb a high mountain. And of course, dahil mga bata pa kami, kinaya namin akyatin yun unlike others. And that's the only reason guys kung bakit nasa solo namin tong place na to. And worth it naman siya. Yung mataas na bundok na inakyat namin na puro kami pagod, hingal. So that's it guys, just a short travel vlog. This is just a life update for this long weekend. I've been tiring but I'm extremely happy. I was able to unwind and spend time with my loved ones. Thank you for watching guys. Join me on my next travel vlog adventure. Don't forget to follow my YouTube channel. See you again soon.